Subtopic is earthquake and volcano. Good morning, student. Chapter 3, Our Changing Earth. The Earth crust is dynamic. It moves both vertically and horizontally due to internal forces. Example, movement of lithosphere plate resulting in folding and faulting. The change can thus be categorized under two broad heads, endogenic or internal forces and exogenic or external forces. Earth movement, again I repeat, earth movement, two type, endogenic forces and exogenic forces. In endogenic forces, sudden forces, earthquake, volcano, landslide, and dystrophic forces, building mountains. And in the exogenic forces, erosional and the depositional, river, wind, sea wave, glacier. Now we look the formation of volcano and what is the volcano. A volcano is an opening or a vent in the earth crust through which molten rock in the form of lava come out on the surface of the earth due to very high temperature and pressure inside the earth. The rock are formed in the molten state. This molten state of the rock is known as magma, which is present in the huge magma chamber inside the earth. Look here the earth example of volcano. This is a volcanic bomb, secondary cone, secondary vent, phreatic flow, crater, main vent, lava flow. And parts of volcano, three important parts, vent, crater and volcanic cone. Vent opening from which lava flow out, crater, top of the volcano is called crater. It is funnel shaped, and volcanic cone, it is a pile of the lava, dust, ashes and the rocks which accumulated around the vent. Look at the some example of different types of volcano: dormant, active and extinct. This is a active volcano and the best example of active volcano. This is a dormant volcano, best example of dormant volcano, and this is a extinct volcano. Extinct volcano is another type of earthquake. An earthquake refers to the sudden vibration on the earth's surface. An earthquake is the result of the movement of lithosphere plate under the surface of the earthquake. This sudden release of energy in the earth crust creates a seismic wave. Mind it, this sudden release of energy in the earth crust creates seismic wave. The study of earthquake wave is called seismology. अर्थक्वेक से रिलेटेड जो स्टडी होती है उसे सिस्मोलॉजी कहा जाता है एंड द पर्सन स्टडिंग द अर्थक्वेक इज कॉल्ड सिस्मोलॉजिस्ट. और जो लोग अर्थक्वेक से रिलेटेड अध्ययन करते हैं उसे सिस्मोलॉजिस्ट कहा जाता है. द एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट विद इन द अर्थ फ्रॉम वेयर एन अर्थक्वेक स्टार्ट्स इज कॉल्ड द फोकस. जहाँ से एग्जैक्ट एक्ट, जहाँ से अर्थक्वेक क्रिएट होता है, दिस इज ए फोकस. इट्स कॉल्ड फोकस. द एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट विद इन द अर्थ फ्रॉम वेयर एन अर्थक्वेक स्टार्ट इज कॉल्ड focus, and the point on the surface of the earth above the focus is called epicenter. This is a epicenter. Again I repeat, the point on the surface of the earth above the focus is called epicenter. Again, you know, remind it, the reactor scale is used for measurement of the intensity of an earthquake. Again I repeat, reactor scale is used for measurement of the intensity of an earthquake. Now you look the earthquake focus and epicenter of the earthquake. Student, look the data of the earthquake and the magnitude of the earthquake in India from 1991 to 2011. Here look the again magnitude 6.9, 4.2, 7.6, 7.7, 6.8, 6.0, 6.3, 6.6. It means an earthquake of 2.0 or less magnitude on Richter scale can be felt only a little, but those which are 6.0 or higher in magnitude are considered strong and 7.0 is classified as a major earthquake. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि यदि 2 से कम मैग्नीट्यूड होता है रिएक्टर स्केल पे अर्थक्वेक का तब वो बहुत ही माइनर होता है, लेकिन जैसे वो 6.0 से अधिक होगा तो वो हायर होगा, स्ट्रांग होगा, और लेकिन 7.0 को क्रॉस कर जाता है, टच कर जाता है तो ऑटोमेटिक है, तो ये मेजर अर्थक्वेक कहलाता है, यानी उसका नुकसान ज़्यादा होता है। अब ये देखिए वर्ल्ड का मैप है जहाँ पे एपी सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थक्वेक का यह लोकेशन दिया हुआ है कि कहाँ पे किस वर्ल्ड के कौन से एरिया में सबसे अधिक अर्थक्वेक आता है। तो ये आपका नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, यूरोप, Africa and Asia. You look the India, mountainous region of the India and South India, this portion Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and some part of Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Gujarat, Rajasthan. Some parts of the country which are the
Student,
major earthquake zone.
Write the answer of the following questions.